Hello and welcome to Uline Commercials video series. In this video, we will walk you through how to use the blast chilling cycle and create your own recipe on your Uline commercial blast chiller and shock freezer. Let's begin. To start, plug your unit in. It will then begin to power on. Once the unit is on, the standby screen will then appear. Once you are on the standby screen, push and hold down the power button until you see "Please wait." Once you are on the home page, you will see 3 action buttons. To begin the blast chilling cycle, click the blast chilling button. After you click on the blast chilling button, this screen will appear. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will find 2 buttons. The red button will bring you back to the home page, and the green button will allow you to view different recipes. Let's continue by clicking the green button to view the different recipes. After you click on the green button, the recipe screen will appear. Here you can choose from a variety of preset recipes, or you can create your own by clicking the manual button. Let's click on the manual button and go through how to create your own recipe. The first screen you will see is the manual programming page. On the left-hand side of this page, you will see a number of settings you can adjust to create your own custom recipe. The top setting you will see is time. To change a setting, simply press down on the small box next to the time box and the line should become highlighted. Once the line is highlighted, you can enter the time from 1 minute to 1,440 minutes you would like the cycle to run for. The second setting is the air temperature. You can highlight this line and adjust your temperature from -13 to 48 degrees Fahrenheit. The fan setting should remain at 10. The fourth setting is hold temperature. You can highlight this line and adjust your temperature from 14 degrees to 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Once all the settings are set as needed, click the OK button to start the cycle. The cycle will then start. Once the cycle is in progress, this details page will appear. Here you will see the food temperature, the air temperature, how much time has passed since you started the cycle, the end of cycle temperature, the air set temperature, and the end of cycle time. If for any reason you want to stop the cycle, just hit the stop button and the cycle will stop. Once the cycle is completed, there will be a checkered flag in the center of the cycle page and the unit will beep every second. The unit will go into hold mode indefinitely or until you touch the flag. Touch the stop button to return to the home screen. Thank you for joining us. For more information, visit uline.com/commercial.